What's up guys, my name is Bonita and today I'm going to show you some Toprock. We're going to talk a little bit about body rock and two-step and just kind of how we put it all together. So let's go. All right, so when we talk about Toprock, this is the intro step, intro dance, if you will, to the dance of breaking. This is what you're doing on the top of your feet as you're rocking your body, Toprock. So it all comes together before you actually take it down to the floor and get, crazy with it. So with Toprock, you always want to make sure that you have the body rock first. The body rock is the groove and the flow to what you're doing once your feet start to actually shuffle. So body rock, put that beat, whatever beat on, and find the beat, back, here it is to the side. You're just gonna rock, 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 yeah? A lot of people jump ahead of this very simple groove, but we have to have this first, and then that really pulls our dance together. So body rock. Once we've got the body rock in our body, we don't stop the body rock, but you start to shuffle your feet. Step, together, two-step. Two-step, that's it. You can choose a direction. So let's say the one that you're going to be most familiar with and that everyone really knows and attaches to breaking is going to be the two-step to the front, yeah? So we've got this step. Boom, you're going in, crossing over, going in, crossing over, going in, crossing over, yeah? But now to the back, or what we would call back step, but it's still a Toprock step. So from here, in, and I'm going to cross back, yes? In, cross, back. In, cross, back, my body still rocks. So you can do two to the front and two to the back. In, front, in, front, in, back, yeah? So that's two Toprocks crossing to the front, two Toprocks crossing to the back, two steps. You can also go to the side. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. My legs are open there, still the same. You can also cross over, in, cross over side, or turn your body too. In, cross, in, front, yeah? Let's try that from the two steps in the front and then the two steps in the back. So we're gonna do two crossing, boom, that, and back, and nice. So there's your cross, two-step crossing to the front, and then your back step crossing to the back. Nice. This is one that actually one of my teachers showed me, legs, and it's called the four corners, and it also helps understand this concept too. So you're going in and then to the four corners. If you were standing in a box, this helps you understand. You're in the box, you're gonna tap the top corner. You're in the box, you're gonna tap the other top corner. You're in the box, you're gonna tap the back corner. You're in the box, you're gonna tap the other back corner. So that also helps understand the two-step, and then that also starts giving you different directions and opening up your steps too. Now, you can touch the top corner with your right foot, you can touch the top corner with your left foot, and now you've got a crossing two-step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So what we just did was four corners open and four corners crossed. So let's try that. Here we go. There's your four corners open and your four corners crossing, Toprock, two steps. So let me let you in on another little secret that is huge. You can see I'm wearing some of my nicer sneakers today, especially because I knew I was gonna shoot Toprock, and you wanna, even in breaking in general, right? We try to always keep our sneakers clean with our footwork and our flow and finesse, so we're not dragging and heavy and all that. But when you Toprock, when you're crossing in front, you want to cross and you want to show off your sneaker. You want to show off your shoe. So make sure that when you're stepping in front or you're crossing, that you're not crossing and you don't, your foot is, yes, I can still show your sneaker off like that, but we want to just rotate that foot turn that toe out. Yeah, forward or out. It adds another little style and flavor to what it is you're doing. Of course, the hips, that's all starts to come as you start to get your own kind of groove and flow and your originality as far as what the music does to you specifically. But these steps, you can grab them, use them, play with them, and then from there, the beats get more intricate and the patterns get more intricate, and so do the footwork steps. So from there, you can freestyle in between the 1 and 2s, catch the beats with your shoulders, your head, your toes, whatever it is. That's where that next kind of jump or step would be, developing your Toprock. Hey guys, all right, so that's it for Toprock 4 corners. And make sure to subscribe. We've got more tutorials coming up, so catch them and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.